thinking we're playing Parkour Ninja, and I just got killed. We're playing Parkour Ninja. Parkour Ninja. I just died off my back because shut up. Cool. Same time. Oh god, my pinky is really bad. It's very bad today. One of my, I think my phone. I don't know what it is. No, my ring fingers. My ring fingers bruised, guys. So, I'm not going to really. Oh, it hurts every time I press the keys. I'm left in BTW, so. What? I can't see. Oh my god, this is the. I could not see. God, that kid slayed me. I don't know why I'm going to hammy. I equip the big chunks. How do you equip this? Scored skill achieved 10. How do you? That's kind of just start. How about the games? I call upon the god of ninja, Sasuke. How did I not do that? Just get rid. That was Sasuke. Sasuke. Let's go. Let's be mad. I will slice you. Into the. It's not even the map, it's the same. Oh my god. Bro, I'm so bad at this game. I'm bad at every game. The chungus sword is 100% cooler, or the light sword is like, I don't know. Get wrecked, kid. It's a pusher. Get it. Oh, I thought I killed. Just spam with the face. With that thing is good for the. Come on. I am Naruto. God, that kid won't show. How? I thought you were supposed to push out. Go. Rangers. I'm chasing this guy down. Another. Looks like this guy was a champion. Oh, yeah, this guy was. Chase! I gotta get killed there. Wow, bro. Wow. I feel like I wanna bleed. I am a soul. And legit feel like I wanna bleed. It's okay, because I'm just gonna keep playing. No breaks. Needs everywhere. Needs. Oh, I got killed by Hingers. Hingers. Hing. Well, what are they? They came towards me, but that's okay. That's alright. That kid is like the coolest character. God, Spider-Man one hit. Spider-Man. Human. God, these are 10 kills. If I get that, then I can get the coolest one. I must do it! I must become the power of a ninja. I'm a ninja god. Become a ninja god. Bucks. This is the freak. God, I didn't get a kill when I killed. I should have killed somehow. Let's practice. I will kill her. I will become a ninja god. If it's the last thing I do, I will become a ninja master. God, how did you miss Superman? Superman got hard away. 'Cause I'll be Superman. Let's go. Naruto. How do you think it's supposed to be? Maybe like an audition. Oh, I got something. I was like, how did I know? Go see like that in my new video. Okay, my YouTube channel. I like him. I'm not flexing my own YouTube. Check out my YouTube. I don't want my YouTube. Oh, should I get another YouTuber? Should I be? Thank you that everyone subscribe. Everyone. Godzilla. He's the best ninja. Yay, the best YouTuber is me. My 6 fans. I'm proud. Who you are, where you do, please click subscribe. Because I'm sure if I make videos, this world subscribe a little bit. God, that man gets shoes up. He's like ninja time. I want to say one. Oh, look at that. Charge. How did I not kill that thing, dude? How did I just substitute? How do you substitute in this game? I didn't even like, what? See, substitute jutsu. I think the sub. Elon.